Hey everyone, welcome to Electrofan. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can get the password of your Wi-Fi that you are connected to. So let's get started. So you might ask, why is that important to do that? If you can connect it, you can know the password, but that's not entirely true. If you go to someone else's place and someone else's connect your laptop to their network, but don't give you the password, but you want to connect your phone or iPad, so instead of asking them, you can get the password from your laptop. Now, just to make sure, I'm using Lenovo Legion Pro and I'm using Windows 11. I'm not sure if this feature exists in previous Windows version, but it surely does in mine. So let's see how you can do that. I'm gonna press Windows and I. This basically opens the setting of my laptop. I'm gonna go to network and internet. I'm gonna go to Wi-Fi. I'm gonna go to the one that I'm connected to, which is Bingo 5 gigahertz band. I'm gonna scroll down, and I'm gonna quickly look at view over here. When I press that, it pop-ups a blue window with the password written on it. And it also gives me some information over here, which is the IPv4 address, which means what is the current IP that my laptop is holding. IPv4 DNS server is nothing but the gateway that you are connected to, which basically means that's the router address. And physical address is nothing but the MAC of your Wi-Fi, and then some other details as well. What you might be seeing over here is something related to your network. I have that hidden for security purposes, but this is how you can get the Wi-Fi password when you have a Windows 11 laptop. I hope you have understood this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section below. Till then, like my video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.